Africanus.
Well, a storyteller, one very important thing, is also a very good listener. For you to be able to tell a story, be prepared to be able to listen well. So that is the first thing that a storyteller must do. Listen well. And secondly, a good storyteller has to be creative in some way or the other, really creative in their way, and they should be able to embrace so many different ways of doing things. In storytelling, you are looking at, reading a lot widely so that you improve the way you tell your stories. You are listening to other storytellers in different mediums, be it on radio, be it on films. It's all storytelling. In books, it's all storytelling. So embrace all these other mediums, and then, only then, can you be a good oral storyteller, because you've widened your horizon.
Africanus.